Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Glossip. Today's video is a little different from my usual travel vlogs because I'm diving into something super important for the summer: skincare. I know I usually take you around cool places, but today I'm sharing my go-to skincare products for the summer holidays. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of this. If you want to keep your skin glowing and fresh all summer long, let's get into it. Okay, so I got this kit from Sephora called the Littles by Drunk Elephant, and it's packed with all the essential products I'll be needing this summer. The best part, they come in this small and cute packaging. I'll be showing you a few extra products I use, so let's dive in. Okay, so let me open this up and show you all the products that it has. Okay, so this is a bag and it is super cute. I can put even more stuff if I want to. For my morning routine, I always start with this Drunk Elephant Best in No. 9 cleanser. This jelly cleanser is perfect for removing all the dirt, oil and makeup from my face. It's super gentle and doesn't leave my skin feeling dry. Next, I use this Pixie Glow Tonic. It's a great toner that helps exfoliate my skin, leaving it smooth and bright. Just a little on a cotton pad and I'm good to go. In the morning after cleansing, I apply this Drunk Elephant C Feminized Day Serum. This vitamin C serum is amazing for brightening my skin and giving me a healthy glow. But if you just got this serum, you'll find these two products inside. One is the liquid base serum and then you have to put it inside of this one, which is powdery. Okay, so this is the day serum. Let me show you it from the inside and what they look like. As you can see, you can take off the lids really easily. And from the inside, one is powdery and one is liquid. I'm supposed to put this liquid thing in here to make the serum. Okay, so now all the liquid is in this bottle and I'm supposed to shake it really hard for like a minute. Okay, so I mixed the serum really hard and now it's ready to use. Then I also use this Drunk Elephant B Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. It gives my skin an extra boost of hydration, which is super important in the summer heat. Let me also show you it from the inside. So this is the packaging. So cute. And it's super pretty. And it also pops up like this. This is so satisfying. And just look at how it goes in place. Amazing. For my moisturizer, I use this polypeptide cream. It's a rich cream moisturizer that leaves my skin feeling smooth and firm. Perfect for keeping my skin healthy in the summer heat. Sunscreen is super important, especially in the summer. I use this Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. It's lightweight, doesn't leave a white cast, and protects my skin from harmful UV rays. Perfect! During the day, I also use this Sephora Moisturizing Hydrating Lip Balm to keep my lips hydrated and protected. Okay, so now let me tell you about my night skincare routine. First of all, I start with the cleanser. Then I use the toner. I also use this TLC Night Serum. This serum exfoliates and refines my skin while I'm asleep, leaving me with a smooth and cleaner skin. For my lips, I start with this Sephora Exfoliating Lip Scrub. It helps remove any dirt, flaky skin and makes my lips super soft. After scrubbing, I also apply this Sephora Lips Living Mask. It's super hydrating and keeps my lips moisturized overnight. Oh, and I also got this amazing stain pillowcase from Sephora. It's super soft and helps me prevent hair breakage and skin creases. Plus, it feels so luxurious to sleep on. And to complete my beauty sleep setup, I also use this stain sleeping mask. It's super gentle on the skin, blocks out light completely, and helps me get a restful night's sleep. And I also have this luxury facial oil, but I really don't use it because I already have this hydration serum. Alright, that wraps up today's summer skincare routine. I hope you found some new products to try on and keep your skin happy during these hot months. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment below if you have any summer skincare tips or if there's anything you'd like me to know. I'll be back soon with more travel adventures, but until then, stay cool and take care of your skin. It's me, Aisha Wahid, signing off.